Hello, buddy. Are you ready for today?
Yes, because they both just finished work, but they should be there before sunset, definitely.
Okay, cool. Alright, man, I'm gonna jump in the car.
Catch you there.
See you soon. So today we're gonna go to a drone Instameet. We'll be taking some photos of the sunset here in Melbourne. It's gonna be a beautiful day. We'll be doing it with some really talented Instagrammers, and hopefully you guys can get some tips and tricks on how to take drone photos for the gram. That's what I want to see. Instagram forming relationships. So Gregoire's weapon of choice today is the Mavic Air.
Way too windy. Way too windy.
Way too windy.
Usually hold pretty well, but
We've just had an amazing sunset, but it's very, very windy. We've got two Mavic Pros, 3 Phantom 4s, and 1 Mavic Air. And the Mavic Air, the Mavic Air nearly went for a swim.
way too windy. Way too windy.
So we're here hanging out with some Instagrammers, and let's try and get some tips off them and see what the best practices are for Instagram drone photography. Let's start off with Gregoire. So Gregoire, if you can give any tip. I know what you're gonna say.
Don't fly when it's too windy. Good lights, good angle,
Yep.
no one around.
Yep. Mr. Bigfoot,
Fly a Phantom, don't go over 100 ISO.
that's it.
Definitely.
Alright, right.
I'm gonna go with the rule of thirds.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
So make sure you've got your 3 layers in there.
Yep.
Skyline in the center, I reckon.
3 layers, bro.
Yeah, that's it.
Alright, tips. What do you
Yeah.
reckon?
Always shoot high, so you can always crop in later on.
Shoot high and then crop in.
Shoot high and crop in just gives you a few more sort of options with the edit later on. Do your research before you go. Use Google Maps. Google Maps is fantastic. Spend every Saturday morning with a coffee and breakfast checking out Google Maps, where I'm going, and find the little hidden sort of entrances and whatnot. Google Maps is your best friend.
No, just get something that someone else hasn't seen. Just have it where you're bringing something new to the table. Have it where people are.
Content.
Yep, unique content. That's it. Meanwhile, I'm falling into the ocean.
Yeah, meanwhile. All very good tips. Sweet.